Hello and welcome to today's video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the top 5 rankings for FLEXI Cap fund that we have selected for our internal research and for our clients. Most importantly, a disclaimer that this is not an investment advice or suggestion from Auris Apex LLP or from me to invest in these funds. This is basically to understand what is the procedure through which we rank our funds for our internal client purposes and internal whitelist purposes. Okay, so whenever we come up with any list of funds, whether it be equity or debt fund or even for PMS and AIF, we go through multiple research, and in that research we basically look at multiple parameters. This particular research we did through CRISIL and through Morningstar, through their resources. From their resources, we basically did a research for our own team, and then we finalized these 5 funds. Okay. Now, what are the parameters through which we take an understanding of which funds we need to select? The first thing is to look at the Sharpe ratio, which is to look at how much the fund has given return in terms of the risk taken. So we want to look for a fund which has taken less risk but has also given high return. Okay, so that is the first factor. Second factor we look at is how much the fund has fallen during down market cycles or during bear markets. The lesser the fund falls during bear markets, the better it is, and it is considered to be more stable in terms of the volatility of the fund as compared to the other categories. Also, we look at the AMC quality, the track record of the AMC. Then we also look at the fund managers' performance. Have they been able to give consistent performance over the last 5, 10, 15 years of the fund period? So based on all of these factors, we have selected these 5 funds in the FLEXI Cap category. Okay, so the first fund is HDFC FLEXI Cap fund. It has given a CAGR return of 17.93% over the last 5 years, and it has the rank number 1 in our category in terms of, as I said, all of these parameters. It ranks on the number 1 rank. Then also on the number 1 rank is the Aditya Birla Sun Life FLEXI Cap fund. It has given 13.05% CAGR return over the last 5 years. The third is the very famous fund, arguably the most famous fund in this particular category, that is Parag Parikh, which has given 15.18% CAGR return over the last 5 years. And these 3 funds, that is HDFC, Aditya Birla and Parag Parikh, have number 1 rank consisting of all the parameters combined. Now the fourth fund is basically Bank of India FLEXI Cap fund. It has given 17.12% CAGR, but there are some factors in which it did not satisfy as much as the other top 3 funds, and hence it has gone to rank number 2. Nonetheless, a very good fund. And finally, ITI FLEXI Cap fund. This has not yet completed 5 years. It has completed 3 years. So I have mentioned 3 years CAGR over here, that is 18.39%. That too is on rank number 2. So these are the 5 funds that we have shortlisted and for our internal purpose through which we suggest our clients. Now, most important thing to understand over here is you cannot just simply look at this list and just blindly invest in these funds. The most important thing to understand is that you need to have a goal-based investing. When you are investing in a category like FLEXI Cap fund, which is an equity category and also a high volatility category, you need to have a goal which is at least 10 years or beyond. So typically we suggest these funds to our clients who have a goal of, let's say, retirement planning, children education, house purchase, etc. and their investment horizon is minimum of 10 years. Then only it does make sense to invest in a FLEXI Cap fund. If you just blindly look at the list and start investing, that will be a wrong decision to take, because unless and until you don't have clarity for what purpose or what goal you are investing, it is ultimately nothing but a gambling or a speculation that you are just blindly buying some mutual funds and expecting that they will give you systematic return. Sure, you will make some returns, but that will not be systematic, that will not be goal based, and that is not the proper way or professional way to invest. So and also I would like to draw your attention to one more thing, that if you see, the ranking is not just based on the past performance. See, if you look at Aditya Birla, it has given 13.05% CAGR in last 5 years, whereas Bank of India has given much more return than that, around 17.12%. But because there are other factors like volatility, quality of the AMC, track record of the fund manager, consistency of performance, etc. That is why we have given the rank number 2 according to the CRISIL report and Morningstar report. So this is the reason that most of the retail investors just blindly follow past returns, but it can very much happen that in the next 3 to 4 years it is possible. I'm not saying this can happen, but it is possible that Aditya Birla can outperform HDFC Flexi Cap in the next 5 years. So we don't really know, right? So we have to look at all the factors together rather than just blindly looking at the past returns. So what you need to do is you need to take the first step towards a professional wealth accumulation and wealth creation journey through the guidance of a professional team. So you can book a free portfolio guidance call with us online, where we will discuss your and your entire family's investment goals, and based on your goals, let's say like retirement planning, house purchase, children's education, future children marriage planning, or you want to go on a vacation, you want to start a new business, you want to buy a car, whatever your goals are, on those goals basis we will map your investment products. Based on that, whichever investment product, whichever SIF, PMS, AIF, etc. are suitable for achievement of your goal, those funds we will recommend, or those products we will recommend. And if you accept those, then you can safely and securely invest in those products in the Auris Apex web application as well as mobile application. And once you make Auris Apex or Auris Wealth your wealth partner, then we will assign a dedicated wealth guide to you who will do portfolio review for you on a continuous basis every 3 months, and will be your wealth partner for your long-term wealth creation journey for the next 10, 15, 20, 30 years. Okay, so that is the actual professional way of getting long-term wealth creation in a structured and systematic manner. So click the link in the description box below and book your free investment discussion call online today itself. If you found this video valuable, do subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and also if you have any doubts or queries, you can ask us in the comment section as well. Do go ahead, book your free portfolio guidance call. It is not going to cost you anything. There will be no product pushing or forceful selling. We will honestly guide you for the best benefit of yours in terms of your goal-based investing. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.